Today we're having breakfast. It's still a little early.
Right now we are outside of
The Wilderness Lodge.
I always want to say Dilsney.
Dilsney?
Dilsney. I don't know where I got that from. Disney's
Dilsney?
Wilderness Lodge. I was trying to put wilderness and Disney together.
Disney's Wilderness Lodge. They
Yeah.
have the Whispering Canyon Cafe, and I think we're gonna try some of their Sizzler plates where they just bring you unlimited goodies for breakfast.
That'd be great. I love it.
We're a little tired. We need some coffee and some food.
Yes, and I think
And-
allergies are pretty bad right now too.
Allergies are so bad right now. All right, so we're gonna go get some breakfast, get some coffee, and check out the resort too.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Look at this table. Wow.
7 doors, entry table.
Yeah, no, I won't want to touch that. That looks super expensive. I like this one too, where they're all on top of each other.
It's been a while since we watched Snow White.
I love how they did this, where it's like blotches of color.
You guys okay over here?
Yes, we are good.
Are you guys like watching yourselves eat so you can kind of judge yourselves later on how you eat?
Yeah.
You're watching yourselves, watch yourself, watching yourselves.
Yeah.
Do you not see how this works?
I mean,
I want to
we're
be
good.
involved.
All right, so
Okay.
Why are you in the picture? You ain't even their server.
They're watching themselves on the phone, watching themselves.
I'm watching you, watch me.
I'm watching, you're watching me, watching them, watching them.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Hi. Hello. Oh, that's how we doing.
Doing good.
I'm coming, lady. What's wrong? Are you watching yourself? Them watching you?
I'm just wondering which way it's going, because I don't really want to eat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, hold on.
we're
I got you.
trying to make sure.
I got you. Here.
There you go.
There.
Turn it around. Okay, there you go. Is that better, ma'am? Hi, my name is Nikki. I'm gonna be your server this morning, sometime today.
Right.
What can I get you guys a drink today?
Breakfast was so funny.
Yes, it was, and look, like my stomach is poking out because of all that breakfast I ate. My stomach is touching there before I can even touch it. Look at that.
It is unlimited, so you can always ask for more. The biscuit was good, you said?
Yeah, the biscuit and gravy were pretty good. I had got the heritage that was on the menu.
I got the lighter fare. So mine came with the fruit and the yogurt, the overnight oats, and the turkey instead of regular meat, and the egg whites instead of regular eggs.
Yeah, and I got the
Bourbon sweet tea?
the bourbon sweet tea, which was also pretty good this morning. To me, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so I had to go
So
with it.
you have your choice. They do have breakfast drinks. You got the bourbon sweet tea, the mimosa, and the Bloody Mary. I just stuck with coffee, so.
Yeah, and just be prepared for all the little antics that's going to go on there. So
They are super funny. They're super sassy. And
And,
if you don't like that, you can tell the host, hey, we don't really want to participate, but if you don't want to participate, I would choose a different restaurant.
yeah.
Because it's all around you. The table's next to you, across the way. There's people hollering. Even at breakfast, we were hollering at a table, "Happy birthday!" So
it is pretty loud in there. So if you want a quiet breakfast,
that's not a place for a quiet breakfast.
Yeah, might want to order room service or something.
Yeah, but it's fun. I liked it. It's up there for me on the restaurants as far as atmosphere goes. So
yeah. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and then give you guys a little tour of what's going on around this resort lodge.
Resort.
Lodge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've heard there is a geyser. We've heard there are topiaries, and they're letting us tour the one of the family cabins. So
yeah,
go out back and get that done.
Yeah, let's get started.
All right. Oh, it's so pretty out here.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. And this river right here is the same river that flows all the way inside and starts at that bubbling geyser thingy. Oh, I bet this is Copper Creek. What do you want to bet? Because it's Copper Creek Pool and Copper Creek Cabins.
Okay, yeah, where I'm from. Yeah, and it's got the Geyser Point Grill, Bar and Grill. What would be cool is if they actually had like this little water that actually goes into the pool that you're swimming in. I mean, that'd be kind of...
All right, we're gonna go over to Overlook.
All right.
If we stay here, when we stay here, I don't want the first floor.
Oh, because people like walk past. And all
Yeah,
that.
I want to, just like at Animal Kingdom Lodge, I
Kinda
want to stay
leave a
way up
little-
there. Yeah.
Okay. We cannot climb on the rocks.
Dang, I wonder how many kids have climbed on the rocks. They had to be like, hey, don't do that. I wonder how many adults have climbed on the rocks.
This is for your safety. This is the overlook.
Salon by the Springs. That looks nice. Ooh, I love the roof. That's so cool. That's a cool bar out there on the lake. That's really neat. So this place is huge. Let's see. We came in. Here's the parking lot where we parked. Over here, this is where we ate breakfast.
And we shot out this way.
Then we shot out along this path. Went over here to the overlook. Came back down. This is Copper Creek Springs, that first pool we saw just now. This, I'm assuming this is the bar we just walked past, right? No, that's the salon.
Yeah, it's the salon.
Salon.
And this is the
There's
Geyser
the Geyser Point Bar and Grill.
And we are here.
We're right here, and then we're gonna go to this cabin right here and check it out.
Yep.
These are DVC Cascade Cabins. Oh look, they have fishing at the lodge. So you can go over there and do some fishing.
TakeMeFishing.org.
Fishing excursions.
Only one of our... So just imagine walking out of the cabin and then you're walking along this path just to get some breakfast and coffee. It's pretty neat. I might have to think about becoming a DVC member.
So you got a king size in the master with your luggage storage underneath. Here, starting with Copper Creek and some of our newer resorts like Riviera, are going to be really trying to have better functionality and usable space.
Right, that way you don't have your suitcases everywhere.
Exactly, which allows us to do a smaller closet, which gives you more actual room.
That's nice.
In the bathroom here, we have the television there in the mirror.
I don't know why that was the first thing I noticed, but it was.
step back real quick. Are you a sports person at all?
College football. So.
You can watch the college football championship or from the Super Bowl.
Open the door.
So I'm gonna tell you, like, okay, all right, I just need you to
Just close this door right here.
Bar door.
That's
The queen size bed here in the front room
Queen.
with the pull-out couch there as well. And you got a little bench there so you can kind of relax, watch some rain.
and again the
read a
storage
book.
underneath.
Correct.
Nice. Okay. That's a big closet too.
And then down the hallway here, you'll have the toilet on the first with a sink, and then shower and a sink down there, so there can be some multitasking.
Yep. Okay.
But the best part of the entire cabin is this.
You fit a lot of people in here.
So this is a pull-out couch as well, and it's a sleeper chair behind me, so there's a sleeping of 8 adults plus an infant in the cabin.
You said that's a sleeper chair and a sleeper sofa.
Sleeper chair, sleeper sofa.
Okay.
Indoor, outdoor fireplace, that.
Nice.
Ooh, And then it's a screened-in porch with the correct grade of screens that actually go, it's the tighter weave, so it'll protect against the no-see-ums. And then we also have a hot tub for you as well. Picnic bench out on the balcony, sit on the patio, so we can do breakfast in the mornings because those are the only 2 hours out of the day I actually want to get excited for.
Yeah, I like it. I like it too.
I like it a lot. Look, I'm like, all right, so what's the next step? How we become DVC member? Like, look, once you take a look at one of those rooms, you're gonna be like, all right, look, what we need to do. And I'm not like on the computer, but like if you get a chance, you come down here, ask try to see if you can take a little tour of one of the cabins because they might have it available.
They're doing DVC tours a little bit different now. So, you know, you've probably seen them in the park where they're like, hey, how you guys doing today? Your kids want some stickers? And they'll kind of be like, hey, come with us for a little bit. And then you go on this tour and it wastes 2 hours of your vacation and you're like, why did I do that?
Mm-hmm.
So now you call them and they set up a tour for you at your convenience. Your convenience.
So.
What time is it?
It is 11:54.
Let's head over to the geyser.
All right. Oh yeah, we gotta catch the geyser.
I really want to, because look, storm clouds.
Oh yeah, they're moving in fast.
Yeah, we gotta.
So,
Hello, hi.
So apparently the
I wonder what Reunion Station is. I don't want to be that nosy, but okay, come on, let's go.
Right.
I don't want to miss the geyser.
Okay. So the geyser happens every hour on the hour. It's the little tip there.
I wonder if it'll do it more frequently whenever there's guests, like it's full capacity.
I think it just happens every day. But that is really neat. Oh, there's the bison.
Oh, we walked right past this twice now.
Yep, the bison's over here.
Look how cute that bison is.
I like it.
Babe, it's an otter.
Just like 8 feet in the air.
I love it. It's a baby geyser.
Hey.
We've had a really good morning out at Fort Wilderness Lodge. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Fort Wilderness Lodge.
Disney's Wilderness Lodge. And it's a really great resort. A lot of cool DVC rooms. We've seen pictures of the inside of their hotel rooms. They're really neat. It looks like a big log cabin. And there's all this Indian beading and jewelry and headdresses.
Yeah.
It's so neat inside. And the totem poles.
Mm-hmm.
It's so cool, guys. You have to come check it out. They've got 2 pools. They've got topiaries. They've got the geyser. I mean, and they have boat transportation to Magic Kingdom. So
yeah,
you're set.
It was pretty good.
It's a pretty good day.
Yeah, so even though it's a little hot outside, other than that, it was still pretty chill. It's not like we were running around like, what, right, we used to get on decks or anything.
It was a very good morning. Chill morning. And beautiful. Lots of good views.
Yep.
So we'll see you guys next time.